one more just to rub it in. Here is my miserable, powerless, roughing it campsite with, I could go get some wood and I could start a campfire right next to my hammock. And that would be kind of neat. I might be able to just sleep outside. Oh, she's peeing again. Look at her. Look at her go. She's good. Did she actually pee? That's the question. I don't see a couple little droplets right there. So, yeah, she did pee. I've been worried about her because she's not really accepting food or accepting water. But I guess this is me roughing it. I'm going to go pop my hood, start my car again. I've been trying to charge my... Oh, she's getting at something in her... I'm going to take her to the groomer while I'm in Delaware. If I can find one. Anyways, pop my hood, charge my MacBook, charge my cell phone, charge my battery charger, my battery bank. The battery bank's awesome because it runs my fan. So I might be roughing it, but I packed enough tech to not rough it. It is getting late though, 9 o'clock. I only had 2 hours of sleep, but I am pretty energized by not having any neighbors. I'm going to say it one more time. This almost makes up for last night being the noisiest camp I've ever had. It kind of almost ruined everything. But we have fireflies again, so that's exciting. I wonder if Delaware has fireflies. They probably don't. But why aren't fireflies on the West Coast? That sucks. Anyways, I am getting very distracted, so that means I'm probably really tired. I'm gonna put this little one in the tent. Turn on a few lights. I might put the bug zapper out here to attract the bugs, but then again, I don't know if I want to zap any of these fireflies, so I might not. They're coming out though. They're coming out in force out here. I wish I was by the lakeside. I've heard that if you're by the water, they go nuts. So I like that little thing because he's not pretending he's a motorcycle. It's a car. It's a 3-wheeled car, which probably does not handle very well. Anyways, he didn't even nod to me. I nodded at him and he didn't even, he just kind of rolled his eyes at me. I'm starting to think Cleveland is kind of a ritzy place, even though I read that they have the highest crime in the United States. 60 in every 1,000 people is a criminal. Maybe that's why there's so many rich people, is because they all stole what they got. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, the bugs are starting to bite me, and I'm totally sweaty because I walked this dog's ass off today. So it's time to go take a shower as soon as I see there's no cars parked there. Once the cars are gone, I'm gonna go shower because it's totally military style shower. There are curtains, but not much privacy, and it's kind of dirty in there. I might wear my shoes. We'll see. I'm probably gonna wear my shoes. I don't want to catch athlete's foot. I think that's a thing in public showers, athlete's foot. Maybe I'll throw the ball for the dog some more because she's not gonna get far before I stop her out here. And I love that there's nobody here. I love that. I guess weekends. It's Sunday, so everybody's going back to work tomorrow. Nobody's going to be camping tonight, except for all these retirees probably. Except there was a pretty hot chick down there by the water. Maybe she's just on a long weekend because of 4th of July. But I saw her on the freeway. I saw her camper on the freeway. I thought it was cool. Anyways, I am rambling. Goodbye.